Hello, I'm Louise and I work for Trees for Cities. We're a charity that loves to plant trees. We plant trees in cities and towns, in parks, open spaces, streets and in schools like yours. We've worked with over 200 schools and planted over 1.5 million trees, and we've still got lots more to plant. So why do you think it's important to plant trees? Teachers, can you pause the video and see if everyone can think of as many answers as they can? So, how did you do? Did you think of lots of reasons for growing trees? Here are some of the reasons why we think trees are important. Plants and trees provide habitats for wildlife. They can provide food and a home for all sorts of creatures, including bees and birds and squirrels. And some trees grow food like fruit for us to eat. Apples, pears and cherries are all delicious fruits we get from trees. Trees can make us feel calm and happy. We can enjoy their amazing flowers in the spring, interesting leaves in the summer, and amazing colours in the autumn. Trees produce oxygen for us to breathe, and they can also help reduce air pollution. Trees can help reduce the effects of climate change. They absorb carbon dioxide and can store carbon, and they can also help reduce the effects of flooding. Trees can keep us cool. On a hot, sunny day, you can enjoy sitting in the shade of a tree.